Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how we achieve this beautiful hairstyle, how we achieve this beautiful look. So if this is what you would like to find out, make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. To my OGs, thank you so much for always coming back. So in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Irene. In today's hair I'm going to give you a tutorial on how we made this hair. Okay, so make sure you watch to the end like I said earlier. So but before we get or dive deep into this video, I'm combing my daughter's hair because normally she has a very stubborn or painful scalp. She easily gets irritated and her hair easily starts spinning, like it starts spinning her easily. So which is why I rubbed her a cream to soften the hair, yeah, before we can now dive deep into it. So yeah, that's it. Do not forget to watch to the end. Okay, I'll see you guys later.